Good Monday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. First wave of cold air now making its way into and through North Texas. And the temperatures earlier today were nice, a mix of 60s. A few spots were even in the 70s, but now that's going to come to an end, and it's going to stay away for probably at least the next 10 days, probably even a little bit longer. Looking over Dallas right now, we have some cloud cover around. The clouds will be with us for the most part during the night tonight and continue during the day tomorrow as well. We should see a little sunshine tomorrow, but probably not a whole lot. Cold front number 1, that's moving through right now with the surge of cold air making its way through most of North Texas. Cold fronts number 2 and 3 are on the way for later on this week, and with each one, we'll have another surge of cold air coming behind it. And this cold air is going to stick around for a while. Looks like at least for the next 7 to possibly 10 days. It's going to take a while before we finally dig out of this cold air mass that's going to be moving its way on in. So in talking about the cold air, we've been talking about it for a while. Some of the agreement right now, so for right now, just kind of say, and there might be a couple more opportunities as we go a little bit later on in the forecast time frame. Now, I've talked about those temperatures. Look at where the lows are going to go tonight into tomorrow morning. It'll be around 39 degrees, around 40 on Wednesday. Then we drop in the 30s for Thursday, probably just a little bit above freezing. But look at Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Temperatures for lows down in the 20s, maybe even teens as we head toward Valentine's Day Sunday. Take a look at the radar and satellite. You can see the gray shading across teens as we head toward Valentine's Day Sunday. Take a look at the radar and satellite. You can see the gray shading across parts of Oklahoma into northwest Texas. This is the main pocket of cold air. Some of that oozing its way now into the rest of North Texas. That will continue for tonight. Kind of stabilize a little bit. The main upper level storm system is well to the east of us, so we're not getting those really strong north winds. So yeah, the cold air is going to come in and kind of slosh around and then start to work its way back toward the north. And it looks like you're pouring a bucket of cold water on the ground and having it spread out in all directions, spreading to the east and south and to the south and back to the southwest as well. And that's what's happening with that cold air mass, kind of spreading its way on in. Yeah, temperatures are going to cool down now, but we'll level things off before the next surge comes in by the time we get to Wednesday. Futurecast for tonight, the cold front pushing south. North winds will continue, but they won't be very strong. 39 degrees as we start off tomorrow morning with some clouds. A chance for a couple of light showers possible here and there. Better chance will be down a little farther south. As we go into Tuesday, you see the clouds sticking around. You see a few breaks in the clouds try to develop. I'm not that optimistic about us seeing a whole lot of sunshine tomorrow. If the clouds stick around, that 49 you see right there might be a little bit too warm. We might be more like lower 40s or maybe even mid 40s. If we see a little sunshine, I think upper 40s are reasonable. Some more sun would be even warmer, but I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of sunshine tomorrow. What we will see on Wednesday is a warm front try to lift back to the north. We'll have lots of clouds, a few showers possible off and on through the day. Not looking for anything wintry weather-wise. Will be plenty on the warm side, but as the upper-level storm system moves off to the east and the cold front behind the surface low starts to take more shape, that means we will see another surge of cold air come in. You can already start to see those northeast winds kicking in behind the front, and that front's going to make its way in. Now, as we go into Wednesday night into Thursday, there could be a few spots that see some wintry precip. It's not going to be a lot, but there could be a light light coating of ice take place from roughly 380 up toward the north, closer to the Red River. Just be mindful of that if you're going to be traveling that way as we go into Thursday morning. So, yes, there is a possibility of a little bit of sleet, maybe some freezing rain or freezing drizzle, in addition to the rain for the areas shaded in pink. But be mindful of the fact that it's not going to be widespread heavy precipitation. That means it still could be impactful. It doesn't have to be heavy, but we're not looking for any major widespread impacts from any wintry precip we potentially could see. For the day on Tuesday, we'll start off with a mostly cloudy sky, maybe break up some of that cloud cover in the afternoon. If we see some sun, we should climb to the upper 40s, and winds will be from the north and northeast around 5 to 10 miles an hour, but certainly cold in the morning. Make sure you have a heavier coat with you as you head out the door first thing in the morning. Temperatures will be at around the 46-degree mark for an afternoon high on Wednesday with that chance for showers. Then the next surge of cold air comes in as we go into late Wednesday and Thursday, so a couple days in the upper 30s. Next surge comes in as we go into the weekend. Look at Valentine's Day. If we're lucky, we'll get to 30 degrees. I don't think we'll get there on Sunday. So I think highs will only be in the upper 20s. Be the first day in about 4 years that we've had temperatures that were actually below freezing for the entire day. So it's been a while since we've been this cold for this long. Bundle up, stay warm, and make sure you stay weather aware. Enjoy the